Hi, today I'm going to walk you through how you can optimize your resources with assignments within a project. Typically, when a project is being planned, multiple resources can be assigned to a task. However, we do know that it's pretty common to have non-linear effort across the same task among different resources. For example, if we consider this create marketing demo task, I can go ahead and add multiple resources to this task. And when I do, we would notice that from the total effort of 200 hours, the total effort would increase. So here we see that from 200 hours, this effort goes up to 600 hours. However, this effort gets added linearly across all the resources. Now, with the assignments feature in Project for the Web, project managers can be more specific in assigning the effort across resources working on a particular task, therefore significantly improving resource planning and financial estimates for the project. Now, I will walk you through how to access the assignments feature in Project for the Web. Once you've created your project and assigned tasks to team members, click on the three-dot menu for more options, and here you will find assignments. Once you're on the assignments page, you will notice that the resources working on the project and the tasks are displayed here. We offer two ways to view the information on this page. You could group by task or you can group by resources. Additionally, you can have a daily or a weekly view. Coming back to the create marketing demo task, you will see that all the resources that are added to this task are displayed here along with the effort for them. Since we know that the effort was added linearly to them, we see the same effort across all the tasks. What project managers can do now with this assignments feature is that if they decide that this resource is going to spend less amount of time on this task, they can go ahead and make that change. And you would notice that from 600 hours, this total effort is down to 520 hours. And the same thing will reflect when you go back to the grid, that you will see that the total effort over here has decreased. What you could also do as a project manager is that if you decide that, hey, this resource is going to work on this task beyond the planned date, you can go ahead and add more hours for that resource. And again, we notice that the total effort from 520 hours increased to 580 hours. Additionally, the end date also increased for this resource compared to the others. And the same information is again displayed on the grid. So yes, that is how you use the assignments feature. Thank you.